Oh my goodness. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vaskia and welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute since we've been here and I'm excited to be here in front of the camera. Today we have an exciting video. We're gonna be unboxing my MacBook Pro 2020 and I'm gonna show you guys some accessories and things like that. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let me know your thoughts on the computer, if you have it or not, or if you like plan on eventually ever getting it. And yeah, let's get into the video. These rings I see. Big charging board. They're silver. Ooh. So I got the MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 chip and the touch bar. Ooh. Let's set it up together.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, the United States. Okay, let's see. Guys, I need to take this off. Wow. So pretty. Look at it. Please hit agree. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Oh, every time I say hey Siri, my phone wants to do it. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri's ready. Siri, recognize your voice when you say hey Siri. Okay, sure you will.
Siri here. Oh. Let me know if I can help.
Okay, bye Siri. Okay, let's do that now. I guess, already checked. Okay, so we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna show you guys the accessories that I got. I've already shown you guys the unboxing portion of the computer and me setting it up. This is the adjustable foldable laptop stand. I got it from Five and Below. It was $5 and I really like it. Comes like this. That's how it is in the plastic, and you just open it, you know, take it out. So you open it like that. You know. That's how it looks on the stand. Very, very nice. Very cute. Good for your posture and all that. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the Anchor hard drive. So let's unbox. Comes like this. Oh, it says happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Are you happy? Are you guys happy today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful, nice day. This is the hard drive. It's bigger than I thought. I have a Logitech mouse and this is the size in comparison to the mouse. It's pretty big. So I got this 7-in-1 Anchor from Amazon and I'll link it down below. So basically this goes into the C port on the computer, and we have these ports here, the micro SD, SD. This is another USB-C port, and then we have the HDMI, which is nice so if you want to connect to your TV or anything. And then we have 2 normal USB, and then we have another C port. Yeah, and then it has like some do's and don'ts on here, I guess. Does not support media display via USB port with a C. Cute! And it comes with this little bag to put it in so you can store it away. It's nice. Now we have the computer case. So I got this iBenzer soft freaking MacBook case, and it came with a USB-C to USB converter in here as well. Ooh. This is the converter that it came with. So if I don't want to have this big bulky thing with me, I can carry this if I just need to like plug something in. And it's cute. You could probably like attach it to your little keychain. Grips for the bottom of the case. Oh, it comes with 2 keyboard covers. Very silicone-y. But I got a keyboard cover because we don't trust anything on the computer. Let's see if it fits right. It fits. I gotta clean it. But that's the keyboard cover. Do we like it? Are we a fan? I don't know. It comes with this one that covers the escape key. And then it comes with this other one that doesn't cover the escape key. If this one gets ruined, I'll have this one as a backup. This one's actually like cleaner. It doesn't have like any weird bumps. Whatever, I'll just clean it later. Okay. Activate your 1-year warranty. I guess I'll do this. So I'm gonna put the case on. Okay. I got the crystal clear color. Isn't it pretty? Hey, silicone wrap, whatever this joint is wrapped on here. Is this silicone? Saran wrap? It feels like a saran wrap too hard. Plastic wrap. So pretty. Ooh, look how clear that is. The 2 clips on mine, they're like, I don't know if you guys can see them. They're like right there. It was 90, and we're just gonna put the clips on. Like, how do I know if it's snapping in place? Okay. Yeah, that side snaps. This side is not snapping. Oh, there we go. I just gotta push down on it. So, this is the case on. I really hope you guys enjoy this video of me unboxing and showing all the Mac accessories that I currently have. I'm really excited to create more videos for you all and just be here and just enjoying the process. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below what computer you guys have and let's have a discussion, you know. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you guys have any other comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Let me know if you guys like this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day, night, whatever time you're watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.